focused on U.S. equities.
Yes.
So I guess the first question is, given the U.S. markets run this year, is that the place to be?
Yeah, particularly the fact that the U.S. markets have run, that's an interesting place to be because it focuses more on dividend-paying stocks, stocks that are growing their dividends, and that inherently means a certain sense of quality and a certain sense of stability in those companies. Those are pretty well-known names that are in the fund. And so when a market is very robust and can be overvalued, a place like that is actually a good place to be.
Do you think it is a bit overvalued, the market?
It seems to be getting there. So, you know, the bears would argue that it's crossed the Rubicon. We're already in expensive territory. The bulls will say no, but to us it seems like it's in that territory. Now, it can stay expensive for a long time, but the expectations of continued growth from the earnings front are pretty strong.
The average market cap in your fund is $90 billion. Large caps, the better value, because when we look at what the performance has been, you know,
Right.
mid caps and small
Right.
have been on a bigger tear than large caps.
In absolute performance, yes, but because of the focus of the fund is on income and dividends and the growth of those dividends, larger cap companies typically tend to be a better place to be for that. So yes, we do have some of the typically well household names in that fund. Small cap, because of the volatility and not having the dividend, is not a suitable place for the fund.
Your top holding is pharma. You've got a big position in Abbvie. It's actually a spin-off from Abbott, so it's a relatively new standalone company. What is it about the name that you like?
Well, Abbvie is it's a great story. It has a lot of growth potential, and Abbott decided, obviously because of the shareholder desires, to split the company in two and really separate the growth part from the long-term traditional part. So Abbvie is sort of the growth part of the business. But the beauty is, not only are they growing, they also have a dividend, and the growth of the dividend is very, very strong as well.